What would you get if you combined AI, drones, and quantum computing? And how could that change defense and surveillance as we know it? Well, in today's video, I have a penny stock that is doing just this. They are working with multiple firms and just announced major developments related to the Department of Defense, DARPA, and other federal agencies. Today, I will be talking about Zenitech, Inc. Over the past year, Zenitech has been executing an aggressive expansion strategy, rapidly growing through strategic acquisitions. The stock is up over 18% in the past few days. And best of all, this is largely flying under the radar. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. So if you enjoyed them and want to see more videos, then drop a comment and let me know. And please hit the thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. I'm aiming for 500 likes. Let's see if we can hit that goal. Now, let's get straight into it. First of all, what exactly does Zenitech do? Zenitech is a technology company specializing in AI drones, drone as a service, enterprise software as a service, and quantum computing solutions. Since 2017, the company has leveraged its software development expertise and grown its drone design and manufacturing capabilities through Zenad Drone, with enterprise software customers using branded solutions across several industries, such as law enforcement, health, government, and industrial sectors. Drones are being implemented in these, plus agriculture, defense, and logistics sectors. Zenitech has two main parts of its business: drones as a service and software solutions. Here we can see their current drone applications, as well as future applications. So there is plenty of scope for growth. Their list of software customers is impressive, with several state police and postal services, as well as major corporations such as Vodafone. Zenitech stock jumped more than 25% in just 2 days this week, and this came on the back of some big news. On Thursday, Zenitech announced the Q1 2026 opening of the Zena AI Baton Rouge R&D Center. This facility will support US DOD, DARPA, and federal agency requirements through the development of secure, defense-oriented artificial intelligence systems enhanced by quantum computing research. The facility will focus on mission-critical research areas, including AI-driven decision support systems, autonomous and semi-autonomous intelligence architectures, advanced sensor and data fusion, secure edge intelligence, and quantum-enhanced optimization and modeling. CEO Shen Pasley stated that launching a Q1 2026 opening reflects the progress being made toward building a dedicated US-based research hub aligned with national defense priorities. The center is designed to support defense, intelligence, and federal agencies with high-assurance AI and emerging quantum-enabled capabilities developed within the United States. The Baton Rouge facility will bring together a team of AI software engineers, data scientists, system engineers, and drone technology specialists, enhanced university partnerships, and deeper collaboration with defense organizations. The Baton Rouge Center will also contribute to the development of Eagle Eye, an initiative integrating AI drones and quantum computing to deliver predictive insights, accelerated decision-making, and optimized battlefield performance. These initiatives are aligned with the White House AI Action Plan and the executive orders issued in July, which prioritize domestic AI innovation, infrastructure development, and deployment of ideology-neutral AI technologies. But in my opinion, the biggest news came 2 days prior to this. Looking at the recent investor presentation from November 2025, Zenitech is selling into fast-growing sectors such as defense, agriculture, and commercial markets. They are growing through an aggressive acquisition-driven strategy, and the company has a favorable capital structure, with over 60% owned by founders and the management team. Zenitech showed very impressive third-quarter growth, revenue growth of over 200% does not tell the full story, as the company has been growing rapidly over the past 12 months. They have offices and facilities all over the world, mainly US-based, with production facilities in the UAE, Taiwan, and the US at their Arizona facility. They hold several patents and are in the process of receiving regulatory approval in multiple countries. A key comparison shows Zenitech stacked against competitors such as aaye, Red Cat, and Dragonfly, where Zenitech is the only company offering drone as a service alongside small indoor drones. The addressable drone market is growing rapidly. The global drone services market was estimated at $24.56 billion in 2024 and is anticipated to reach around $555 billion by 2034, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 36%. North America held the largest market share due to the presence of major service providers and early adoption of advanced drone technologies. The US market alone was estimated at $6.19 billion last year and is expected to reach around $100 billion by 2034, meaning the US drone market could grow more than 30 times over the next decade. This shows how early we still are in the growth cycle of this industry. The news that really caught my attention was Zenitech's announcement regarding accelerated US defense engagement efforts, including customer field demonstrations and planned pilots in 2026. The company is seeing growing engagement with US defense stakeholders, with discussions on track to deliver field demonstration opportunities in 2026. The CEO stated that they anticipate making announcements regarding Zenad drone's success in the first quarter of the coming year. Zenitech has expanded US operations to support deeper government engagement, domestic manufacturing, and engineering collaboration. The opening of a Washington, D.C. area office places the company at the center of federal defense communities, supporting early alignment with defense priorities and accelerating contract opportunities. At the same time, the company is expanding its Arizona footprint for US-based drone assembly, production, and testing, expected to be operational in Q1 2026. This ensures Zenad drone platforms meet stringent US and NATO standards. Over the past year, Zenitech has completed an ambitious acquisition strategy, acquiring 14 surveying companies globally, with a goal of establishing 25 drone-as-a-service locations by the end of Q2 2026. Financially, the company has seen rapid revenue growth, but costs have also increased due to expansion. General and administrative expenses rose significantly year over year, driven by wages, programming support, and sales and marketing. Zenitech now operates multiple drone surveying companies, a software business, and numerous new offices. Despite these losses, analysts remain optimistic. Maxim Group recently set a $7 price target on the stock. Zenitech currently trades at a market cap of around $150 million and maintains a relatively strong balance sheet, with significant cash and marketable securities. So what do you think? The drone sector could be set for a major year ahead, especially with recent executive orders supporting domestic drone manufacturing and national security. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence. If you'd like to see more videos like this, covering stocks that are flying under the radar, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this analysis, remember to like and subscribe. Have a great weekend, and I'll catch you in the next one.